Hey guys, it's Anna. Bienvenido otra vez a mi canal. If you're new here though, what is up? This is gonna be another quick setup or flip through of my pocket planner. Again, it's the same planner. A lot of this stuff is basically the same, but I want to show you guys for like Christmas and the holidays, and I didn't want to do like anything too like intensive because like I said, a lot of it is still the same and Christmas and the holidays are over. So I will try to remember to link stuff down below. Most of the stuff I did DIY myself though, that you're gonna see in here, and I've mentioned it before. I will try to include any links though for stuff that I might have used, any products from like Michael's or stuff if I can remember. But yeah, so let's just go into a flip through. It's gonna be basically a really quick flip through. I might jump in here and there to like mention where stuff is from, but here again is my planner. It's just this beautiful green faux croc color. Well, let's get on into my pocket planner. I know these little doilies right here got bent up because I didn't laminate them, so that's cool. Poly clip. And again, some of the stuff though is going to be blocked out with like sticky notes, so you'll see them kind of here and there. It's just like personal information. 2020 dashboard, 2019 needs to be taken out. Taken out, I'll clip there. Old, super old, super old, needs to come out, I know. Too much shopping. Nothing. Peanuts Planner Co. just extra pages in case I want to make my own inserts. I need to start like drafting up my own inserts because I just can't find any perfect ones for me. Just like an extra tab. It's not even like labeled yet. No label. But it's like a note section. I guess I could label it notes, but I just have like lined paper here. Extra notes pages. 2 things of grids. Some more blank pages, just like extra notes pages. This is the notes section. I guess that should come before, all this should come before the paper Peanuts Planner Co. checklist. And then behind here is personal information just in case I lose my planners. So I'm just gonna kind of skip through all that. This is empty now. I should probably take it out, but we'll see. Random stickers back here. My little page lifter, just black. Passwords. Stencil, which you probably cannot see. Oh, there we go. Stencil. Otherwise, there's nothing back there. And here, I kind of already showed this. I got it from Michael's. I just keep in here page flags, basically, on note cards. Page flags. Page flags. Page flags. And just sits right there. Pen, it's just a little mini Paper Mate Ink Joy. They're just small and cute. I like them. And I finally have something back here, but I need to fix it. It's not really like DIY'd well. We got another stencil in the back. It just gets tucked back in there. Like I said, this I actually just cut out of a different thing I got from like Walmart or something. It's not done being DIY'd though, so it's just back there for my monies, my cash, but there's no money in there right now. But it just fits perfectly into the back of the planner if I can get it back in. And that's it for my planner. So yeah, that is it for this super quick flip through. As you guys can see, or if you've seen my other pocket planner flip videos, you have already seen a lot of this stuff. There's like the top and everything. This angle is like really awkward. Probably already seen a lot of this stuff. So just wanted to do like a quick flip through so you could see like kind of the decorations that I had added in for Christmas and for the holidays, which are now over. So I'm going to be changing this over. I think I'm going to do it with you guys, but I have to like plan out exactly what I'm going to do so the video isn't too long. But make sure you stay tuned for that. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't yet. Like the video if you did enjoy it. Make sure you click the bell so that you can be alerted when I do post new videos, especially about my planners and stuff. I'm going to be posting a lot more in the new year. I'm super excited for 2020. Let me know your guys' thoughts in the comments if you guys use, like what size planners you guys use, because I use a few different sizes. Just pocket is my everyday carry right now. But yeah, muchísimas gracias for watching este video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Maybe it gave you guys some ideas. I am talking super fast because I don't want this video to be too long. Muchísimas gracias, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.